All right, welcome back to another unboxing here. Just a quick one. Got two that just came in the mail today from jetcollector.com. We have the AeroClassics Iran Air A319 and Phoenix's KLM Boeing 777 in the Sky Team colors. I've got a thing for the planes that have the Alliance colors, and also a little thing for the Iran Air, just because you don't see too much of them. So let's go ahead and pop these open and take a look. All right, so we'll start with the Iran Air A319 from AeroClassics. I've kind of started to get into the AeroClassic brand a little bit more. I'm always a little hesitant sometimes getting them, but they seem to do just different things you don't normally see from Gemini or Phoenix or NG or any of the other ones. So let's pop open, take a look at it. Already looks good. Right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I will say, you know, the past couple I've gotten from AeroClassics, they've actually been decent. I shouldn't say decent, but they're really good. I used to be, like I said, a little hesitant on them just in terms of quality, but I'm actually really quite happy with this. Something that, you know, I've never really seen another company make this model, especially from Iran Air. So this will go with the 3 others that I have in my collection, but the engines look good. That's always the one little thing I have to say about them. The engines always seem a little loose, but these are actually pretty good. Everything looks good though. Wheels roll. Yeah, no complaints. I'm actually really happy with this. So I might just start buying more of those. And now we have the one I was really waiting for. This KLM in the Sky Team colors. Let's go ahead and pop her open. I feel like Phoenix typically makes a decent 777 mold. This is looking pretty good right here. Oh yeah. Color looks fantastic, that gray. Good weight, nice rolling gear on it. That's one thing I always like about them is the gear that's typically really good on these wide bodies. But oh, that looks really good. Antennas, they poke, which I always talk is a good sign. Engines look good. Oh, we are missing a tire right there, though. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Don't see it anywhere. That's not good. But I mean, we can just get past that. It looks really good though. The logo looks good. The blue actually really stands out on there. We can see the name of the plane on there. Yeah, looks really good aside from the missing tire, which maybe it fell out somewhere. I'll take a look and see. Nah, it looks fantastic. I'm really happy with this. I'm glad that Phoenix went ahead and made this one. But yeah, aside from the tire right there, which hopefully maybe I can find somewhere, yeah, looks really good. Really happy with it. Oh, after checking the box and looking around, I couldn't find the front tire for that, but that's all right. I'll just keep it angled like that. You'll never know. But really quite happy with this purchase. Yeah, you know, no complaints except for the tire right there, but I'm really happy with that A319 that AeroClassics put out, and really happy with the 777. So yeah, another good successful buy, and hopefully have another one come up soon with some of the new Gemini releases. So yeah, goodbye, no complaints, and we'll see you next time.